Yum yum. Ah. Woo! Missed. Ah. Mmm. Yum. Do you like the watermelon, Bubby? It's the first time you've eaten it. It's nice, isn't it? Ah? Ah? Have some grapes. Ah? Ah? Is that for Daddy, or do you want to eat it? Okay. Mm. Eat it up. Good boy. No, you have it. Leave it there then. That's okay. That's a bit green, that one. Yeah. I'll have it. Thank you. Ah? No more. I don't want any more, Bubby. Yeah. You put it there. Put it there. If you don't like it, you can put it there. Good boy. What about this? Okay. Should try one. You only just half tried it. Oh, good shot. Okay, what about this? Come on. You don't know that that's all veggies. Haha. Hey, stay there. We're not finished dinner yet. Come on, Bubby. Pardon me. Oh, what have you done here? Put your leg down. Okay.